Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 1, Standard 9, Topic Polynomials Part 2. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 3, Polynomials Part 2. In this video, we will learn operations on polynomials, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and practice set 3.2. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials. The method of addition and subtraction of polynomials is similar to the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now let's study the examples. First we are going to see the example of addition. So 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Here two brackets are given. Our first step will be we have to remove the brackets. So 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now here we are going to arrange the like terms together. 3m square n plus 2m square n plus 5mn square minus mn square minus 7mn plus mn. So after that 3m square n plus 2m square n, here we will get 3 plus 2, that is 5m square n. Next term is 5mn square minus mn square. So 5 minus 1, we will get 4mn square. After that minus 7mn plus mn, that is 7 plus minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6mn. So the like terms are added. So the answer is 5m square n plus 4mn square minus 6mn. Second example is of subtraction. So 5a square minus 2a and 7a square plus 5a plus 6. The solution is 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus 5a square minus 2a. We have written it in the brackets. Now we are going to remove the brackets. So first polynomial, that is 7a square plus 5a plus 6, will be as it is. The subtraction sign will be as it is, but when we are opening the second bracket, the internal signs will get changed. So plus 5a square will become minus 5a square and minus 2a will become plus 2a. So 7a square minus 5a square plus 5a plus 2a plus 6. Here we have arranged the like terms together. So 7 minus 5, we will get 2a square plus 5a plus 2a, we will get plus 7a, and plus 6 will be as it is. The next example is of multiplication. Minus 2a into 5a square. So the solution is minus 2 into 5, we will get minus 10, and a square and a will become a cube. So the answer will be minus 10a cube. The next example is also of multiplication. M square minus 5 into m cube plus 2m minus 2. The solution is m square minus 5 into m cube plus 2m minus 2. Here first m square will multiply the entire bracket and then minus 5 will multiply the entire bracket again. Each term of the second polynomial is multiplied by each term of the first polynomial. So m square in the bracket m cube plus 2m minus 2 bracket close minus 5 m cube plus 2m minus 2. So when m square and m cube are multiplied, the answer is m raised to 5. When m square and 2m is multiplied, the answer is 2m cube. Minus 2 into m square, we will get minus 2m square. Minus 5 into m cube will be minus 5m cube. Minus 5 into plus 2m, so it will be minus 10m, and minus 5 into minus 2 we will get plus 10. So the polynomial m raised to 5 plus 2m cube minus 2m square minus 5m cube minus 10m plus 10. Now here we have to arrange the like terms. So m raised to 5 will be as it is, plus 2m cube minus 5m cube minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Now here m raised to 5 minus plus 2 minus 5 we will get minus 3m cube, then minus 2m square as it is, minus 10m as it is, plus 10. Here the degree of the product is 5. Divide 2 plus 2x square divide by x plus 2 and write the answer in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the solution is, let us write the polynomial in the standard form first. First, what is our polynomial? P of x is equals to 2 plus 2x square. Now we are going to write it in the standard form. Standard form means we have to write the missing terms as well. So 2x square plus 0x plus 2, that is the standard form. Now we are going to divide it by x plus 2. So when we are dividing 2x square by x, the answer is 2x. So we are going to subtract it, we'll get 0. Now 2x will be multiplied with 2, so we will get 4x. Okay, so 4 will be subtracted by 0 and answer will be minus 4x plus 2. We are going to take plus 2 as it is down. Now again 4x will be divided by x, so we will get the answer as minus 4. And we will subtract minus 4 from there. So minus 4 and plus 4 we will get 0 and 4 will be multiplied with 2. So minus 4 into 2, it will be 4 to the 8 minus 8. So plus, when we are taking it down, the sign will get changed. So 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. So when we are writing in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, 2 plus 2x square is equals to x plus 2 into 2x minus 4 plus 10. Q of x is divisor, that is x plus 2. S of x is quotient, that is 2x minus 4. And R of x is remainder, that is 10. Therefore, P of x is equal to Q of x into S of x plus R of x. Method 2, linear method of division. Divide 2x square plus 2 by x plus 2 to get the term 2x square. Multiply x plus 2 by 2x and subtract 4x. So 2x into x plus 2 minus 4x is equals to 2x square. Therefore, dividend is equal to 2x square plus 2 is equals to 2x in the bracket x plus 2 minus 4x plus 2. To get the term minus 4x, multiply x plus 2 by minus 4 and add 8. Minus 4 in the bracket x plus 2 plus 8 is equals to minus 4x. Therefore, 2x square plus 2 is equals to 2x in the bracket x plus 2 minus 4x plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 from the first equation. Therefore, 2x square plus 2 is equals to x plus 2. In the bracket 2x minus 4 plus 10, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Euclid's division lemma. If s of x and p of x are two polynomials such that degree of s of x is greater than or equal to the degree of p of x, and after dividing s of x by p of x, the quotient is q of x, then s of x is equals to p of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equals to 0 or degree of r of x should be smaller than 0. Practice set 3.2. Question 1. Use the given letters to write the answer. First, there are trees in the village lot. If the number of trees increases by b every year, how many trees will there be after x years? Solution. The number of trees at present is equals to a. The number of trees increases by b in a year. Therefore, the number of trees will increase by bx in x years. Therefore, the number of trees in the village lot after x years will be a plus bx. So the answer is, there will be a plus bx trees in the village lot. Question 2. For the parade, there are y students in each row and x such row are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? Solution. The number of rows in a parade is equals to x. The number of students in each row is equals to y. Therefore, total number of students for parade is equals to x into y, which is equals to xy. Therefore, the answer is the number of students present for the parade is xy. Third one, the tens and the units places of two-digit number are m and n respectively. Write the polynomial which represents the two-digit number. Solution. The place value of the digit m at tens place is equals to m into 10 is equals to 10m. The place value of the digit n at the units place is equals to n into 1 is equals to n. Therefore, the number formed is 10m plus n. So the answer is the required number is 10m plus n. Question 2. Add the given polynomials. First, x cube minus 2x square minus 9 and 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Solution. First, we are going to write both the polynomials in the bracket. The second step is we are going to remove the bracket. So, x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Now, we are going to arrange the like terms together. So, x cube plus 5x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 9 plus 9. Now x cube plus 5x cube will give us 6x cube. Minus 2x square will be as it is. Plus 2x will be as it is. Minus 9 plus 9 will give us 0. So the answer is 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. Second, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 and 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. First, we are going to write both the polynomials in the bracket. Then we will remove the bracket. So, we will get minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 plus 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Now, we will write the like terms together. So, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4 plus 5m cube minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus root 2 minus 6. So 7 plus minus 7 plus 5 we will get minus 2m raised to 4. 5 minus 3 we will get 2m cube. Then 2m square will be as it is. 3m will be as it is. Minus 6 plus root 2 will be as it is. So the answer is minus 2m raised to 4 plus 2m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6 plus root 2. Third one, 2y square plus 7y plus 5. Second polynomial is 3y plus 9 and third polynomial is 3y square minus 4y minus 3. So we will have three brackets now. The first step is we are going to remove the brackets. After removing the brackets, we will get 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Now we will write the like terms together. After writing the like terms together, the answer what we are getting, that is 2 plus 3 is 5y square. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So plus 6y. The next is 5 plus 9 minus 3. We will get plus 11. So the answer is 5y square plus 6y plus 11. Question 3. Subtract the second polynomial from the first. First is x square minus 9x plus root 3. Second polynomial is minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Now we are going to write it in the brackets first. So after opening the bracket, the signs of the second bracket will change. So first bracket we will write as it is, x square minus 9x plus root 3. Then minus into minus 19x we will get plus 19x. Then plus root 3 will become minus root 3 and plus 7x square will become minus 7x square. Now we will arrange the like terms together, and after arranging them, the answer what we are getting, that is minus 6x square plus 10x, because plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. So the final answer is 6x square plus. Second, 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab, and the second polynomial is 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. So the solution is, first we will write it in the bracket, then when we will remove the bracket, the signs of second bracket will change. So 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus 3ab plus 8ab square minus 2a square b. Then we will arrange the like term together, and after arranging them, the answer what we are getting, that is 10ab square plus a square b minus 7ab. So the answer is 10ab square plus a square b minus 7ab. Question 4. Multiply the given polynomials. First, 2x into x square minus 2x minus 1. So the solution is 2x will multiply each term of the second polynomial. So 2x into x square will get 2x cube, minus 2x into 2x will get 4x square, minus 2x into 1 will get 2x. So the answer is 2x cube minus 4x square minus 2x. Second, x raised to 5 minus 1 into x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Again, x raised to 5 will multiply the each term of the second polynomial, as well as minus 1 also will multiply each term of the second polynomial. So x raised to 5 into x cube we will get x raised to 8. X raised to 5 into 2x square we will get 2x raised to 7. And x raised to 5 into 2 we will get 2x raised to 5. Minus 1 into x cube will get minus x cube, minus 1 into 2x square will get minus 2x square, and minus 1 into 2 we will get minus 2. So the answer is x raised to 8 plus 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. Now third, 2y plus 1 and y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. So 2y plus 1 will multiply the second polynomial. First 2y will multiply the second polynomial, and as well as plus 1 will also multiply the second polynomial. So when 2y will multiply, 2y into y square will get 2y cube, minus 2y into 2y cube will get 4y raised to 4, plus 2y into 3y will get 6y square. Then when 1 is multiplying, 1 into y square will get y square. Then minus 2y cube into 1 will get minus 2y cube, and plus 3y into 1 will get plus 3y. Now we'll write like terms together, and the answer which we are getting, that is minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y. Divide the first polynomial by the second and write it in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. X cube minus 64 is divided by x minus 4. First we will write it by a standard form. So x raised to 3 plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. This will be the standard form. With the simple division, the answer which we are getting, that will be x square plus 4x plus 16 is the quotient and remainder is 0. And then we will write it in the format of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Question 2 of the same is given for self-study. Now question 6, write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. There is a rectangular farm with length 2a square plus 3b square meters and breadth a square plus b square meters. The farmer used a square-shaped plot of a farm to build a house. This side of the plot was a square minus b square meter. What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? Now here length is equals to 2a square plus 3b square and breadth is equals to a square plus b square. So the area of the rectangular farm is length into breadth. So 2a square plus 3b square into a square plus b square. When we are multiplying it, we'll get the answer as 2a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 meters square. The area of square-shaped plot to build a house is L square, that is side square, that is a square minus b square square So we will multiply a square minus b square 2 times. So the answer which we are getting, that is a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4 meters square. So the area of the farm excluding the area of plot where house is built, we are going to subtract. So after subtracting the answer which we are getting, that is a raised to 4 plus 7 a square b square plus 2 b raised to 4 meter square. Therefore the area of the remaining part of the farm is a raised to 4 plus 7 a square b square plus 2 b raised to 4 meter square. Thank you.